Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Band 8 active, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned during the day or the week on this smartband. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the stats option. Once you find it, tap on it. And right here you will see the first thing, that is calories, and you can check your progression. Right here you have 0 out of goal 600, and you have also the graph for the whole day, as you can see. You can also check it in more details on the phone app if your smartband is paired with a phone. So let's bring our phone right here. Zoom out the camera like this, and let's open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. And once you open the app, you will see the health page, and here you can scroll down, find the calories data, basically tap on it, and here we can check the daily data, weekly and monthly. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you check or track the amount of the calories burned on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.